Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make tickets on Discord. So let's get right into it. For making tickets you have to go on web browser, and here you have to search for ticket tools. Just simply you have to go with the first link and you will be reached to this website, and here you have to hit on invite ticket tool, and now you have to hit on continue. Just scroll down and hit on authorize. After that you have to hit on go to your server. Now go to server settings, hit on server and go with the settings, and here you have to go with the roles. Now you have to create role over here, and you can write any type of name of your role. I am writing over here and then create role. Now go back. Now click right over here and create category. Write the name over here. Now click right once again, and this time you have to create channel. Write the name of your channel and hit on create channel. Now go back to a ticket tool. Okay, once you're done with it, then you have to go with the ticket tool manage server. For now I don't have any of manage server option over here. As you can see in my window, there is no any of manage server option for then, so I will search for ticket tool manage server and I will go with it. Now you have to go with the manage. Now you have to create a panel and go with this plus button and create your panel. Write the name of your panel over here and hit on create. Now you have to go with the general, and you have to go with the support team roles. Select support and then you have to go with the save. Now go back, and this time you need to select the category. Just select your category and hit on support and click on save. Now go back, and this time you have to go with the send and hit on general and go with support and hit on send. Now go back to Discord and your message will be sent. So this is all you need to do for making ticket tools in Discord. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.